Hello there, I'm Barry Robinson for Scarborough TV News. As you can see, we're out and about. We're at the Barrowcliff School and I'm with Councillor Simon Green, our new Mayor of the Borough of Scarborough, and the Chair of the Governors of the school, Bill Chatt. Now, first of all, Simon, congratulations on becoming the Mayor, and what a great event this is.
Thank you very much, Barry. It is a great event, and I just can't believe how much the children have put on and what they've done, and how they're persevering in the rain as well.
Yeah, because what they're celebrating is the Queen's birthday.
Of course.
She's 90 years old.
Yes, what a wonderful achievement.
Yeah, but all the kids, the dancing and everything they've done a great job.
Wonderful job, and we've even had a guard of honour to bring us in. It's been brilliant, just absolutely fantastic.
Yeah. So, Bill, you're the chair of the governors of this school. It's a wonderful school. You must be very proud of them.
I'm very proud of the school as a whole. I mean, Barrowcliff School is for me the school I went to when I was a child, and now it's a great honour to be the chair of government. But today is more about celebrating Her Majesty's 90th birthday. When we spoke about this, we said, well, what could we possibly do? We came up with all kinds of ideas. We were fortunate that the big locals supported us with some financial input, but the input which has been important today is obviously the food, the organisation which has gone in. Mr Johnson's done a really good job, and as we saw earlier, the dancers who actually performed in the pouring rain, but they never bothered them. True performers as far as I'm concerned.
Yeah, and what a marvellous event. To actually think of this, I think is great.
Barrowcliff is a school that's a community-based school. We try to work with our community. Today you'll find people here from the over 60s luncheon club, you'll find people from the big local, you'll find people like the Mayor himself, you'll find councillors, you will find the Chair of Yorkshire Coast Homes in here somewhere, and you'll also find people from every organisation who works on the estate, the churches, everybody's here today. We thought this should be a community day. I mean, at the moment, you know, we're in Scarborough, the Queen's in London. It's a long way for us to go and celebrate the Queen's birthday. So why not give the kids a chance to celebrate it here? You know what I mean? Learn a bit of history. The kids have learned all about the Queen and when she was born and all that. That's been really good. And as we walked in, they were singing Jerusalem. I mean, to me, you know, this is the British values being taught in schools, and that's what we should be doing.
It's a very go-ahead school.
It's the school itself has many things going at the moment. The Barrowcliff Opportunities Programme, which we heard in the speeches, has been created Rose Garden to remember this event. The school itself is doing all kinds of things, forest schools, beach schools. They're doing all sorts to get that enthusiasm going in children. And once the kids get that enthusiasm, they just start to fly, and that's brilliant for us.
As you can see, I've now been joined by Sean Timon, the Chief Exec of Yorkshire Coast Homes. Now, what a great day it is here at the Barrowcliff School.
Yeah, it's fantastic to see all the children getting involved celebrating the Queen's 90th. Shame about the weather, but it doesn't seem to have dampened their enthusiasm.
So tell me, what does Yorkshire Coast Homes have to do with the Barrowcliff School?
Well, Yorkshire Coast Homes have 4,500 properties in the Scarborough Whitby area, so we're always keen to support any events that are going on in the communities and to get involved and just be part of the communities where our homes are.
So the Queen is 90 years old?
Yes, very impressive, isn't she? She's looking very well on it. We've got a lookalike here today who looks even better than 90 years old, but yeah, it's great to be part of celebrating that event, and it's the sort of thing that the children here will remember for many years to come. I remember like the Silver Jubilee in the 70s and things like that, and it still sticks with you, and it's just nice to see them celebrating a big occasion like this.
Yeah, and as you say, Yorkshire Coast Homes are out there in the community, and this is a community school.
Absolutely, yes, we work very closely with Barrowcliff and lots of other schools in supporting the great work that they do.
OK, mate, it's really great to see you.
Thanks very much.
Thank you very much indeed for having a chat.
Pleasure.
I'm Barry Robinson, out and about at the Barrowcliff School, celebrating Her Majesty's 90th birthday for Scarborough TV News.